I will talk about how can you add or change your name on your package option app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile. So then you click here on profile here. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. You will find here your first name. Just click here on empty here. So then here add your first name here. When you add your first name, you click in this sign, and here your last name. You click on it, then add it here. Then you click in this sign, and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.